I am Dr. Bindu Garg and am heading the unit of reproduction at Neelkant Hospital, Gurgaon. Over the past few weeks, social media and news channels they have been filled with new terms like COVID-19, isolation, quarantine, and social distancing, and so forth. As the global developments they increase, so does the growing concern on how the COVID-19 will impact the people who are in the midst of fertility treatments and also who are planning for a family. A new concern thriving in community is that coronavirus will affect their fertility. Now, the cause of infertility can be very difficult to determine, but it may include inadequate levels of sex hormones in both women and men, or there can be problems with ovulation in women. Now, according to the male fertility experts, coronavirus possibly impacts on the male fertility, but no direct evidence was recorded by the scientists till date. Now, many doctors from China they advised and urged that coronavirus patients they must test their fertility as soon as possible because doctors feel that coronavirus may damage the function of testes in men and may affect the production of sperms and formation of the male sex hormones. But corona infected patients they can come to us in having varied complaints, and the most common symptoms are like pneumonia, dry cough, sneezing, and fever. Depression and stress in the people due to coronavirus, this was observed by the doctors. So it is clear that human infertility may not be affected by coronavirus by itself, but it will be reduced due to the depression and stress of the patients and due to the treatment of depression they are taking, or even because of the isolation of the corona infected patients. Now, if you're not infected, there is no medical reason to change your plans about trying to conceive. Nothing in what is currently known and understood about COVID 19 would justify egg freezing, which many women may think of. Now, if you ask me if there is a link between coronavirus and fertility issues, so far no research has shown a relationship between the coronavirus and fertility issues. But if you have the infection, you should avoid conceiving until you are well. According to the WHO, the pregnant women do not appear to be at greater risk of illness. Only 1% of the pregnant women they experience severe illness that require the medical attention. It is not known if it affects the oocytes, which means the eggs. Still, initiating the fertility therapy should be postponed if you have flu-like symptoms for 2 weeks, if you have been in contact with somebody who has the virus or who has been in contact with somebody who has the disease. A common concern is what will happen to the baby if the mother has COVID during the pregnancy. Now, as per as the current evidence shows, this is called as a vertical transmission. It can occur to the baby, but we have seen most of the babies that are born from COVID-19 infected mother, they were very mildly affected and have recovered completely. So, do not skip the vaccines or prenatal appointments during pregnancy period because many women are scared of going to the hospitals. But the hospitals these days, we are taking all the prevention and we take follow all the guidelines which are important for handling the women. Now, the way the things are evolving these days, it seems that we'll be dealing with COVID 19 for some time. So there seems no justification waiting, but still we have to stick to the essentials of wearing masks, not traveling to the congested areas, and taking proper hygienic measures. The researchers so far has not shown that the COVID-19 period will change the course of fertility treatment in times to come. Thank you.